It is a heartbreaking and haunting mystery that dates back more than 4 decades.
A 6-year-old boy seemed to just vanish from his family home in North Phoenix. That happened in the early 70s.
CBS 5's Donna Rossi has more on how this family is now turning to outside sources for help.
Just remembering some of the stuff that's happening here.
Emotions swirl as Guy Hose looks around his childhood home. It's a place he considers a house of torture, a place he claims he and his brothers suffered severe abuse at the hands of their mother.
I got my share of abuse, but it was not a fraction compared to what those two endured.
Hose is referring to his younger twin brothers, Gary and Jerry. Hose says to this day, Jerry remembers horrific beatings and severe punishments.
He recalls being locked in a box in the closet quite a bit. He says that he refers to it as the punishment box. And he said that that was here in the bedroom, and they spent a lot of time in that too.
The other twin, Gary, is who Hose has been searching for years. Gary disappeared in 1974 when he was 6. He is presumed dead. It wasn't until the 90s that Hose started looking into what happened. Police were notified and searched the home and backyard. They found nothing. And just a couple of weeks ago, when new information surfaced, detectives searched the property again and again, found nothing. Desperate for answers, Hose has been willing to try anything, so he turned to Deborah Martin, a Scottsdale-based psychic.
They could be missing something. I feel that.
Martin told Hose she is certain Gary is dead and believes he is buried somewhere on the property.
When concrete is poured for the house, how they would make sure that it's smooth. I'm seeing this as if it's rough.
That news did not surprise Hose because he says Jerry, the twin who is still very much alive, has always believed his brother's body is somewhere at the home.
He is 100% convinced that Gary is buried in this section of the yard somewhere.
Hose vows to continue to do whatever it takes to find his little brother. In Phoenix, Donna Rossi, CBS 5 News.